Hello friends, welcome back to Coastal Cameo. I'm Nancy, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. The last couple of weekends I have spent time at going to some garage sales, some thrift stores. I purchased a box of jewelry from Marketplace from a lady here locally. She said it was a mix of vintage and modern jewelry. So we're going to start on that because there was quite a bit in the box. The box was really dirty, so I just dumped it into a tray, and this is what we've got now. I'll just kind of slide it over there so you can see. That's what we're going to go through today. So if you have never watched my videos or purchased from me, this is how you do that. If you see something in the video that you like, each piece will have a number assigned and the price will be shown on the screen with the number. So if you want to purchase that item, you just email me at coastalcameo1@gmail.com. Give me the item number. You can give me a description or, the price, confirm the price or whatever, but all I really need is the item number. So once I have that, I will send you a PayPal invoice. You can check out as a guest, and I believe now you can even use Venmo, someone said, so that's convenient. And then I will ship your items. I am happy to hold items. I will hold for a couple of video cycles as long as you stay in touch with me. And I think that's pretty much it. There will be a comment below the video that shows the items sold. So as I get your emails, I update that list. So you may want to refresh the screen before you email me just to make sure that the item number that you're asking for isn't already sold. So without further ado, we're just going to grab something right off the top. This is a vintage 3-strand necklace. These are, I believe they're plastic beads, maybe some acrylic. Some of these have what looks to be like burn marks, but I don't know. It looks intentional, I think. I'm not sure. These little beads here have some like clear rhinestones glued to them, and some of the rhinestones have come off. I think this is still sellable as is. Let me see if there's a mark. Yeah, that says Japan there. So yeah, I will offer that for sale. I will clean it up before I send it out to you. And we have this little bracelet that is magnetic. It's got an H on it. It is two-tone. It's got an H with some clear rhinestones and then like a gold tone rope pattern around it. I don't see any marks on this one, but it looks to be in very good condition, and I don't see any missing rhinestones, so that's good. This one doesn't have any markings. I think, oh yes it does. Let's see, what's that say? Get my cheater glasses out. Okay, that says Mexico. I can't really see what the other markings say. I'll check it. I don't think it's sterling. Probably alpaca. Yeah, I need to clean it. But it does have some abalone and shell inlay. Very pretty. It is a cuff bracelet. This is a really pretty kind of panel or link style bracelet with, I think those are faux like illusion stones. Oh no, each panel does have a little rhinestone. got a fold over clasp. It is silver tone. Let me see what that looks like on the wrist. Very pretty. I will provide measurements when I do the editing, so you'll know that. Okay, what have we got here? This is a vintage, it's got the shepherd's hook, Japan 3-strand necklace. Looks like it's got these acrylic beads, some little iridescent beads, and then separated by some clear seed beads. This one looks to be in very good condition. Very pretty. This one really caught my eye. Look at these beads. They're like faux pearl, kind of an iridescent finish. And then the gold ball beads separating. Okay, that mark I think says Deauville. Yes, it does. It's got the shepherd's hook. I brought the neck in. See if I can reach it without falling over. That wouldn't be good. Very cool. There is some slight wear on some of the gold tone beads, but otherwise it's in very good vintage condition. Okay, then we have this necklace, very sparkly. It's kind of like these blue AB coated beads, twisted. Looks like there's maybe 3 or 4 strands twisted together. Looks to be in very good condition. That is really sparkly. I'm sitting in front of a window and it's bright and sunny out there, so you can definitely see the sparkle on that. Okay, then we have this. Looks like it has a piece of fuzz. This is a really pretty bracelet. Can't tell if those are glass or not. They are somewhat cold to the touch, but then it's got these different colored rhinestones, purple, pink, green, and blue. Don't see any marks on this one, but it's in very good condition. Fold over clasp. Here is a pair of screwback earrings with, I think those are genuine, like freshwater pearls. The gold tone finish is in really good condition. These have been worn because there is some verdigris down here. So I will clean those up, but they are in good condition otherwise. Okay, this is a vintage twisted strand necklace with these multicolored seed beads, and then these, they're made to look like shell, but I don't believe they're shell. That's really pretty. Lots of pretty colors on that one. It's a shorter necklace. And it does look like some of the gold tone seed beads have lost some finish. But overall, I think it's in good condition. Okay, this is another really cool bracelet. Looks like it's got 6 strands, excuse me, chain strands, gold tone, and then it's got this acrylic cabochon in the middle. I don't think that's meant to be any specific design or anything. And it's got the clear rhinestone halo around it. No markings. Oh, that's gorgeous. I love green, and that is really pretty. Very good condition. I think this lady had a booth, and she shut her booth down. What way does this go? There we go. Okay, what do we have? Do we have 3 pieces or 2? Okay, we've got the necklace, the bracelet, and the earrings on this one. What does that say? Oh, Carol Lee. This is Carol Lee. It's got kind of the brushed gold tone finish. Looks like the bracelet has a toggle clasp. Excuse me, I'm going to grab a drink. And then the necklace has the lobster clasp. It's got these little teardrop dangles with different colored rhinestones, green and blue. Yeah, some of the dangly parts don't have any rhinestones, but that is really a pretty set. I love the blue and green together. Okay, let's do some earrings. This is a very large pair of clip-on earrings. I don't see any marks on them. They've got blue cabochons and then surrounded by some large faux pearls, gold tone backs. I mean, they're in good condition. Oh, these are really pretty. That bright gold tone, these are pierced. And then the dangly blue beads. Very pretty. No marks on them. Those are a statement earring for sure. Okay, then we have this black velvet choker with a cameo. Left facing, which Jason at Preston Street Market always says the left facing cameos are more desirable. He sells a lot of them, so I take his word for it. There is a hang tag on this. Oh, that's Erwin Pearl. That's a good designer. Looks like it's in excellent condition. Here's a pair of, is this considered Celtic circles? I don't know. But like the spiral design, silver tone earrings. There's some wear on the hooks, and I just noticed the little spring and ball are missing on this one. So I'll put those in craft. That's our first craft piece, I think. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is a long, really pretty chain. Lobster clasp. There is like no wear on this. There's a little wear right here on the top of the bail. And it's got this ribbed bead and the long chain tassel. It's got the nugget style bail, which I love. That's gorgeous. Let's put it on the neck and see. Very pretty. Like I said, there's very little wear on that. It is on the longer side. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are clip-ons, and it looks like they are marked. I have to get the loop out for that because it's tiny. Okay, what do we say? Oh, these are Whiting and Davis. Wow. I have found a couple of pieces of Whiting and Davis. It always sells pretty quick for me back in my eBay days. Got these girls with a headband with some flowers and then kind of a leaf pattern halo. They are clip-ons. Looks like they're in good condition. Yay. Then we have this stretch bracelet, Charming Charlie. It's got like a faux druzy panel and then a clear cabochon panel. Feels like it's got good stretch to it. I don't think it's been worn. Looks like they were asking $13 for it. It's in excellent condition. Okay, then this is a set. It is Trifari. It's got the necklace with the multicolored like cabochons, gold tone chain, C-spring clasp. There is the Trifari mark, and then it's got the matching earrings. They are pierced. Looks like it's in pretty good condition too. This is a gold tone. These are acrylic beads, and then it's got some disco ball beads with some rhinestones, champagne colored and clear. Okay, that has a mark. Can't read it. Okay, that says Carol Lee. Looks like it's in pretty good condition. This would be excellent for layering with another piece. Lobster clasp. Well, so far I'm very pleased with this. This is, excuse me, this is a necklace with some kind of citrine colored rhinestones and then some clear rhinestones. Is there one missing there? No, I don't think anything's missing. That says Kramer. The chain is in really good condition. It's kind of like a double Rolo. That's very pretty. I did notice there's some wear right here on this link. Not terrible. Ooh, look at this. Look at this gorgeous bracelet. This looks like it could be Coro, but I don't see any marks. It's got the red AB coated rhinestones, kind of a scroll or swirl pattern. These panels. That is gorgeous. Very pretty. We're getting a lot of sparkly stuff. Okay, here's some more earrings. These two, we got two pairs here. We've got a red pair. They are, looks like someone has glued that stone back down because it's a little bit wonky. These are kind of like an antiqued gold tone. These are red, and then it's got the red rhinestones around the outside too, teardrop shaped. These may go in craft. I'll put on the screen what I decide to do with those. And then we've got kind of a honey amber colored pear. Looking to see, oh, that one has a missing rhinestone right there. So those will definitely go in craft. This is a gorgeous bracelet. It's got a safety chain. Don't see any maker marks on it. There is a stone missing. Should probably check that box and see, make sure it's not in there. Otherwise, this is beautiful. I'll try to put it on my wrist so I can see, or so you can see. That is gorgeous. The stones are red, like a really deep kind of blood red. So I'll have to see if I can't find that rhinestone. Okay, here's a set that's in a bag. It's got a lobster clasp, kind of a brushed gold tone. These squares and ovals and rectangles on a gold tone chain, and the matching earrings. Looks like they are in really good condition. Oh, this one's pretty. This is very well made. You can just tell by holding it. It's got like a cat eye, brown cat eye cabochon there. And this looks like a kind of a sage green enameling. And then the focal point looks like it has, is that missing something? Oh, it may have a missing stone. Yes, that's a bummer too. Wow. I don't know what goes in that one. Because that's the only, oh, it's probably this enameling piece. It's in very good condition otherwise. Well, I'll see what I can do on that one too. I know that's the risk you take when you buy these things because they've been moved around a lot. She probably moved them several times when she had her booth. This is really cool. Cream colored enamel, silver tone. Oh, looks like Liz Claiborne. It's in very good condition. There is a pair of earrings. Kind of these open work with a scroll design, or kind of like a flower. Can't really tell. Looks like the back part of this has a gold tone finish. So I don't see any marks on them, but they're really cool. Ooh, here's a cameo. Let's get the pin hooked back. She's facing left as well. Can't really tell if this is old. It's kind of an antique gold tone, and then the shell, or not the shell, but the cameo itself is like a pink and white. Looks like she's got flowers in her hair and she's holding a mirror, I believe. That's in really good condition. Here is a pair of faux pearls with clear rhinestones. Some are prong set, and then these are baguette. Or is that channel set? I don't know, can't remember. Don't have enough diamonds to really need to know that term. Okay, what have we here? This is obviously a vintage necklace. These look like, okay, if you know, please advise. Are these Givray beads? They do have these little orange ornate caps, and this is hand knotted. I thought I saw one that might be broken, but I don't see it. I think some of them are just different shapes. Looks like it's in good condition. The beads are like a honey colored. But yeah, let me know about the Givray, because I've heard of that and they kind of look like that to me. So this is a pair of cameo earrings. Gorgeous. These might be 1928 because I know that's kind of their signature pattern on the back. Those are pierced. This is a cool bracelet. This is kind of like a bronzy, goldy tone. I don't know. It's got these big quilted pattern medallions, lobster clasp. Okay, that says Express. It's in very good condition. Oh, this is gorgeous. Don't see any maker marks, but it's got kind of a serpentine chain, a shell flower in the middle, and then a scroll pattern around that. It kind of looks like Brighton, but I don't see any marks on it. That is gorgeous. Very pretty. Needs a bath, but otherwise I think it's in decent condition. Okay, here, this looks like a pair of 1928 earrings too. It's got these pink, dark pink flowers with green leaves, some faux pearls. There's no marks on them. Those are gorgeous leverback earrings. Oh wow, this is definitely jadeite. This is a jadeite elephant ring. Now I do notice that one of his little eyes is missing its center rhinestone. That looks like a pinkish colored rhinestone. Personally, I would just either take this one out or take it out and add two matching. You could leave it with no rhinestone in there. It would look just fine. That's gorgeous. He's so cute, and he's got his trunk up, which is good. Okay, we have these. Got two of these. This one looks like it's missing some pearls, and this one's missing one pearl. They're these little tiny pins. So I will put those in craft. That centerpiece with the flower is porcelain, so. Okay, this is a vintage necklace. It's a damascene necklace. What do you say? Well, that says Avon. Very pretty. Looks like it's in very good condition too. I'll put the length on the screen. This is a set. The necklace is a double strand chain with this teardrop pendant with, it's just an acrylic piece made to look like abalone, and then the scroll pattern on the side. Don't see any marks on it, and then it has the matching earrings. Very cool. This is a pair of faux pearl pierced earrings to be in really good condition. This looks like a vintage pair of faux pearls. Got the clear rhinestone halo. They are silver tone. This is really cool. It's a triple strand necklace. It's got some faux pearls, look at these satin pieces. They are acrylic. And it's got these gold tone beads. This is acrylic. Lobster clasp. Oh, it's Chico's. This is in excellent condition. Like, never worn. Very, very pretty. Got this little pair, not little, these things are a statement earring. They're faux pearls. They are clip-ons. Wow, that is a conversation piece for sure. Very cool. Again, those are clip-ons. Oh, this is gorgeous. Got these clear rhinestones and then these rhinestones down here that have kind of a gold finish to them. And then faux moonstones. This chain is beautiful. Oh, it's J. Crew, and look, the only piece that's worn on this is the extender and the clasp. Well, I say that. There is wear on the back of this, but the front of it needs a bath is what it needs. I don't see anything missing on it. Yeah. The clasp is always the thing that takes the most hit on these. My grandma used to say, wherever the jewelry touches your skin, and especially if you wear lotion or perfume or sweat. Okay, this is a really old shell pin. The little hook is bent. That is very old. He may have to go in craft just because of that. If I can get it bent back up, I'm not sure that the pen will function properly, but we'll check it out. Ooh, this is pretty. This is a gorgeous triple strand, no, is it 4 strands? Yeah, 4-strand gold tone necklace with these different stations that have these different color acrylic beads. Green, red, brown, and purple, and there's some blue ones. There are no marks on this, but it's definitely vintage and gorgeous and very, very good condition. I love that piece. Okay, this is a dainty little necklace. These different stations that have little seed beads, faux pearls, different colors. Has a lobster clasp with no marks on it. That's really pretty. Very dainty. Here is a bracelet. It's kind of a bronze tone with these links that have AB coated beads, red and blue seed beads, and some smaller AB coated beads in between. It's got a lobster clasp. I don't see any marks on it. It's in excellent condition. I don't see anything missing, so that's good. Okay, we've got two things here. I think I've had this exact necklace before. I think this is Chico's. Yes, I've had this before. It's got these different color, brown and honey colored clear beads. It's kind of a wide drop necklace, kind of a chunky wide drop necklace. Very pretty. In excellent condition. I don't see any obvious missing pieces. There's the Chico's hang tag. Yeah, this one's in excellent condition. Most of those are acrylic beads. Okay, what are you? Oh, wow. Look at this necklace. I saw this and I thought, because it was kind of buried in the box, and I thought this was like one of those head covering pieces, but it is obviously a necklace. It's got this gorgeous teal blue beads, some clear rhinestones. Nothing is missing that I can see. Some faux pearls, some little honey colored sections that kind of bring everything together. That is gorgeous. Maybe some light wear on the chain part. It is meant to look kind of antiqued, but that is beautiful. I love that. Okay, then we have this long chain with a coin. Put my cheaters on, see if I can read that. Australia something. Elizabeth II. It's got an animal on the back. Don't know what that is. It's got this little crest hanging there too with ivy and a crown. Not sure what any of that means, so if you know, please inform us. It's really cool. I love coin jewelry. Okay, we're getting down to the bottom of this little pile. This is a silver tone. I believe this is an ankle bracelet. It is on the larger side. Really cool chain. No marks on it. It does have an extender too, but it's in excellent condition. We have this. It's kind of a lariat style. I think it's made to look kind of Southwest. It's got a, is that acrylic? Yeah, an acrylic bead there, I think made to look like abalone. Some little acrylic beads and silver tone spacer beads, and this is kind of a rose gold tone chain. No marks, but it's in really good condition. Very cool. Okay. This one says Loft. Okay, this one has some little rhinestone dangles and then some oval dangles. Gold tone. Lobster clasp. Very good condition. That's a dainty one. We have this huge medallion pendant with 2 different colors of blue cabochons and a scroll pattern around the side, around the outside. I don't know if that's a mark in the middle. Can't really see it very well. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't have any letters or anything that I can read. It's just some sort of symbol. That's really cool. I think this may be the last piece. I saw this one in the box too. It's hard to miss this one. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Gold tone faceted. Kind of like gold mercury beads. And then these dangles are silver tone. That is really gorgeous and very sparkly. Yeah, that is pretty. It's got a lobster clasp. No marks on it. But you can tell that one is really well made. It's a statement piece for sure. Okay, well that wraps up this little haul, and like I said, I've still got this much more that I picked up from a couple of garage sales and thrift stores. So some point in the near future I will bring those pieces to you as well. I hope you enjoyed this little haul and found some things you liked. I really like this bracelet. Gorgeous. I like this necklace. It's a bummer about that rhinestone, that red rhinestone bracelet, but what are you going to do? I will see if I can find the missing piece from that. But yeah, thank you for coming along, and if you enjoyed this video, if you'd give it a thumbs up, I would appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe, or at least consider it. It's free for you, and you will be notified when I upload more content like this. Right now, I'm sticking to a Thursday-Sunday schedule at 11 a.m. Eastern Time, and I've got some cool unboxings, and I've got a couple of really good sales, including a sterling sale coming up. So I hope you'll join me for that, and in the meantime, go out and do something fun for yourself, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.